So we made no plan. We started the day really late. We're hiking a place called the Grampians.
Crikey!
Crikey!
It's a fucking rock.
We're getting up to the fucking pinnacle. And we're like, how do you get there? And some old cunt goes, oh, it's pretty late in the day to be fucking starting the pinnacle. Well, we're fucking doing it. And I did squats this morning. And I'm dying. But it'll be fine. Because I'll be dead. And I won't fucking know anyway.
He was a 900-year-old fucking creature.
He's fucking 173. Alright, updating later. It's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my god. They don't end. Stop stoning. Update. It's very hard to breathe up here. Oh, we're still going. And I keep telling myself we'll be there in 5 minutes. Okay, I just had a thought about the quote. Life's not about the journey. It's about the destination. Bullshit. You spend a majority of your life in the journey and very few tiny moments at the fucking destination. So I would argue the life isn't about the fucking destination. It's just about the journey. Well, regardless, you're still spend a lot more time journeying than you're gonna spend destinationing.
Well, it depends what you do. You could just go in Bali forever.
Yeah, but you're still gonna be journeying around Bali, so.
No, you'll be floating around at the destination.
I'm not sure what relevance that has though, because we're not even in Bali. We're in the Grampians, mine. I'll check back in later. Profound thoughts with Molly. Goodbye. Okay, I have this over my ears because it's very windy, but I'm very sweaty, so it's hurting my ears. But look at this. It's very pretty. It's very beautiful. Hang on, I'll show you. So, I don't really know where we're supposed to go, but I saw an arrow drawn on a rock. It says this way. We're going this way. Okay, well certainly we have to be here. And now point us in the direction of more hikers. So, continuing on. It's very beautiful. Let's see. Pretty. these the forbidden chocolate covered berries.